Meaning of infinite.
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 Infinite. The term infinite refers to something that has no limit or end. It is an adjective used to describe a quantity or magnitude that cannot be measured or counted, such as the infinite expanse of the universe or the infinite depths of the human mind. This concept has fascinated philosophers, mathematicians, and scientists for centuries, leading to groundbreaking discoveries and intellectual breakthroughs. The idea of infinity has also inspired artistic and literary works, exploring the mysteries of the unknown and the incomprehensible. In essence, infinite implies boundlessness, perpetuity, and the limitless potential of existence.